never let people drive. I trust this. I never let people. I just gotta drive myself. This is interesting. I wonder, is this how all the vloggers do it?
This is how they do it.
What's up, dude? How's it going? Yeah, right.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, bro. Please click and subscribe. Psych.
It's a birthday weekend for these guys. Oh, hey, Alex. These are the guys that are sponsors too, by the way. Sweet. That's why we're celebrating the birthday.
We gotta say happy birthday. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Big Moshi.
All right, bro. Hey, just say you had an MLB player install your sticker. Should we squeegee that? No, this is better without it. All right, I'm gonna use those lines.
Oh, you're stuck. Run it.
Looks great.
Perfect. It'll buff out.
I'm doing
Good
decals.
looking out, appreciate it.
You got it, bro. Hey, fun fact, hit my first home run in Dodger Stadium back in 2013, baby. So
You heard it here first.
Chavez Ravine, Dodger Stadium.
Be ashamed if someone were to take this E right here. Oh,
Here, sorry, Alex. Custom built by myself. Look in the center. Start to finish.
all on your own? I'm proud of you,
Hear
man.
me coming too.
Oh, pause. Bubbles, it's crooked, I don't know. I hope he doesn't quit his day job, you know? My laptop's in there, so I just don't want it to crunch. God, there goes my laptop.
Which one is your motor, bro?
A must. On you at all times, eh? Everywhere, bro.
Let's go, Alfredo. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Gentleman and a scholar.
Doing with this?
Alex Troy just threw me an insulin needle. I wonder if he's on like human growth hormones or something.
That's how I got so tall.
Oh yeah. Not very many parts of the rally where I'll be smashing, but today, right now, because we have some ethanol, do some just driving. I decided to come to Havasu for the weekend. This car is just so cool. It's my favorite 720. We always work hard, like, oh, we're not doing enough, but when you get to enjoy some shit like this, it's pretty rewarding. So we happen to be a sponsor for the rally too, so I didn't do it for have my sticker on the car. I did it to support my friends. These guys have been friends of mine for a long time, and you gotta give back to the people that support you, right?
Big facts.
Big facts.
You gotta appreciate all these hills and the rain.
Not on AAA tires.
Yeah, but it makes these fools chill, so.
Yeah, I
that's
was
good.
telling Alfredo that I'm kind of glad low-key it's raining because the first part of rallies and no disrespect to any of my friends, if you guys are one of them, that it's like something to prove. They go out swinging right on the on-ramp. They come out full throttle, cutting in and out of traffic. Yeah, it's fun, but it's dangerous, and things happen. So it makes everybody stay calm. You know, everyone's testosterone levels are really high. Other than Amelia, she's right behind me. What would you call that, a female? They'll have to
Estrogen levels are low.
Oh, emotional is no high.
I hope she doesn't take that personally.
Nah, she won't.
But my take on this too is like when we do BMX events, it's the same thing. Kids come out, they're super hyped, they try and show out, and that's when you get hurt. Same thing with drivers, you know, so you gotta be safe.
Yeah, safety first, man. Like at the end of the day, it's a successful trip if I can get home to my kids. That's it. So let's just enjoy these canyons. Oh,
This brakes though.
carbon. However, we need brake pads. Psych, my Jeep won't buy new sensors, so I use the old ones and super glued them on.
It's called a Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, I learned that from Johnny.
Oh.
Cobra.
Shots fired.
Nah, that's a good trick. That fool saved me $250.
Well, did he also show you how to take the light bulb out of there so you don't have to worry about it anymore?
He told me put it like
electrical tape?
Yeah. Which reminds me, at the gas
Band-Aid?
station, we're gonna do that.
Alright.
I love the mountains. Because where I'm from, it's all mountains. Like, where are you from? Colorado, Holmes. The Rockies. So these fools will take the long way there just so that they get like the scenic route.
Got it.
So we're going to Havasu. Realistically, the 2.5 hour drive. It's gonna take us 6 because we'll go through Big Bear, enjoy the drive, stop, get lunch. It's cool, you know, it's something I needed to fucking clear my mind. However, we're in like not a cool car. We should have bought a McLaren 720 before the rally.
Leave a comment below if you should buy a McLaren 720 here.
Right there, my kids are there.
I mean, you're turning 23, fool. You're getting old.
34.
Alright, pit crew change. What are all these levers and things? The Tesla doesn't have any of that.
I never let people drive. I trust this motherfucker. I never let people. I just gotta drive myself. This is interesting. I wonder, is this how all the vloggers do it?
This is how they do it.
What's up, dude? How's it going? Yeah, right.
Back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, bro. Please click and subscribe. Psych. So we're on the back end of the mountain of Big Bear, and then what it does, it drops us down into Barstow area. This guy right here. I never let people drive. I trust this motherfucker. I never let people. I just gotta drive myself. This is interesting. I wonder, is this how all the vloggers do it?
This is how they do it.
What's up, dude? How's it going? Yeah, right.
Back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, bro. Please click and subscribe. Psych. Let's be original. Just fucking keep it real, yeah? Alright, let's restart. Anyways, we're Fredo's driving, kicking it, going to Barstow now. I'm fucking hungry. I've been up since 4 in the morning. So we're gonna stop, get some snacks, maybe some chips, some tapatio. Here's some junk food.
junk. I'm on a diet, bro.
The next gas station is like
What's ETA to that?
You couldn't resist. You had to find the tapatillo. You should have worn the sheepatillo. Some keto delight. Un poquito. You need to get on the keto diet. So I don't necessarily think these are chicken wings, but there's some sort of wing.
Yes.
get there. No, he was like.
What up, dog? Hey, gang.
I follow you guys. I watch every YouTube you put out, bro.
You're about to be in it.
I appreciate
What's your name, bro?
My Deputy McCray.
Right on, brother.
Mac, MAC_McCray, MCCRAY.
Got you.
Hey, bro.
Alright, brother. Stay safe, bro.
Stay safe, man. Have a good one. You're good out here. I thought he was coming to get us. I was like, of all the cars
He's all rolled
to
down
come
the
get
window.
it. Yeah.
Hey, at least we know we can party in bars still.
Yeah.
Not get in
Why would you want
trouble.
to? Why would you want to party in Barstow?
You never know, bro.
I feel like in another life you could have been an Eddie.
A what?
An Eddie.
An Eddie? Really? Do I look like an Eddie?
You could be an Eddie. All of a sudden, at first you're like, no. Now you're like, eh. So this is the official pit stop, eh?
Yeah.
Oh no, damn, and you thought you were the only one with the neck tattoo. That fool got you covered. So I don't remember what it's like to pump gas. So apparently you have to like open things and put nozzles places. Can I just go back to an electric? Maybe you just unlock things?
That's all.
Diesel, right? Yeah.
There you go.
He's leading. All I got was water. And they didn't even give me my burger.
Bro, you're not gonna believe what I did.
What did you do?
Totally forgot that you had the pump hooked up to the car.
you ripped it off.
Yes, fool.
Shut up.
I swear to God. Luckily, fool, nobody saw. Just this chicks in an Aventador. I'm like, they took out their phones. They please don't record that. Don't record that. Look.
Is it
Hell
leaking?
yeah, brother. Look at not because it has a valve on it.
Oh, shit. Let's get out of here. Detaches, right?
Hell yeah, brother. Number 7, RIP.
Wild goose chase, eh?
Of course we would be following Alex Troy.
And Amelia.
I missed the right turn because I got distracted by the cop.
I think we're lost. Follow him.
I thought we were getting pulled over back there.
We're about to though, because we're about to turn around. This is why you never break out of the pack. But my ass likes to eat, so. Actually, I blame this one on you.
I didn't even get my food, so I didn't even get to eat.
Alright.
Are you waiting?
Agárrate.
Jump them.
Yeah. Alright, apparently there's some sort of Easter egg. They're gonna have us get off on this one road and then 5 miles will pull over. There's a surprise. Alright, well, whatever that means. Look at this thing.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that was sick. That's what they probably stopped for. Let's go look at it. I wonder if this is good for us. I've never done this. First for everything. Dick. Let's get out, man.
Hell yeah.
That is water, but with chloride. You gonna get in?
I'm down if you're down.
No. No. Sheepey Race is about to die. This is chloride. Where are we?
Yo, seriously though, is that water? Yo.
It is hot as dick.
Yo, we're taking middle of nowhere on Route 66. Check this out. Apparently this it looks like pure water. Looks like, hey, fool, let's go in Fiji, fool.
I mean, I wouldn't touch it. Fool, what if it burns your hand? I don't know, put a stick in it or something. Oh, you're gonna taste it? What's wrong with you?
I'm Mexican. I don't give a f. Go.
It's like 110, 115 here?
Yeah, 110.
Oh, we fall in.
Dick.
I'll look it up in the car. We'll find out what this is.
See that little hill right there? There's another little river that flows through there. It's pretty cool.
What would you do with chloride?
Upon a little bit of review, we figured out that it's just hella salty, so we would have been fine. But
No, we should've
hey,
been.
it's better safe than sorry. He wanted to lick it. He wanted to dive in head first. I was like, nah.
He told me it was acid, I was gonna die.
I don't know how to drive this thing back home. What if he's dead? I gotta put him in the trunk or in the front, wherever, like. So we think that's a police helicopter because it was traversing the street. coming towards where all the cars are at.
Please don't move like that.
Yeah, you're right. That's tight. That must be fun.
Super dope.
Alright, hey, gold. Life gold. Get a helicopter.
Goals, bro.
Like showtime around the clock. It was just being pumped all day, all night.
What's all the shoes? Look at all the shoes. Thanks for coming out, man, to do this. Pleasure, brother. Yeah, absolutely.
The camera's on, right?
Hell yeah. So I don't normally do this. How do you do this, Marianne?
How many you got there?
There you go, just talk to it.
Hi, this is...
Tiffany Fox.
She's a model at Spearmint Rhino, baby.